Rishikesh Dattatreya Dharotkar. I am going to present a topic which is smart sensors in satellites. These are the what we say index. These are the contents that I am going to share. Introduction. A smart sensor is a device that takes input from the physical environment and uses built-in computer resources to perform functions upon detection of specific input and then process data before passing it on. We are surrounded by smart sensors in our what we say in our life. Literature survey. This is the architecture of a sensor node of a smart sensor. The smart sensor is a crucial and integral element in the Internet of Things (IoT). The increasingly prevalent environment in which almost anything imaginable can be outfilled with a unique identifier (UID) and the ability to transmit data over the internet or a similar network. One implementation of smart sensors is as components of wireless sensor and actuator network (WSN), whose nodes can be numbered in the thousands, each of which is connected with one or more other sensors and sensor hubs as well. Satellites are equipped with one or more sensors or instruments depending upon their purpose. Some sensors are passive and record reflected solar radiation such as visible light and emissive radiation such as thermal energy. Other instruments are active and send pulses of energy through the atmosphere to the surface of the earth. There are several types of sensors in remote sensing satellites. The sensors that are main that are follows the multispectral thematic mapper, the microwave radiometer, the synthetic aperture radar, the panchromatic camera. Their uses are as follows. This multispectral scanner is a scanning device that acquires data by scanning the Earth's surface in strips normal to the satellite motion. Many lines are swept simultaneously by a scanning mirror and reflected solar radiation so detected is monitored in the detector. The thematic mapper. The thematic mapper is also a mechanical scanning device such as the MSS, but it has improved spectral, spatial, radiometric characteristics, whereas MSS of all Landsat scans and objects data in one pass only. The microwave radiometer. This consists of a microwave antenna and amplifying and detection electronics. As the satellite moves over the Earth, the microwave radiometer antenna picks up the microwaves radiated reflected by the Earth, and the associated electronic payload detects and stores it. The synthetic aperture radar. The synthetic aperture radar is a radar which simulates a large antenna aperture using the fact that a satellite is motion over the Earth and phenomenon of Doppler shift. The panchromatic camera. This is a sensitive camera which is quite frequently in recent times coupled with CCD devices. The camera can directly convert the images into digital format when they are beamed directly or after someone board processing to Earth. This is the image which shows how sensors are used in satellites. According to STCast research, smart sensor market is expected to reach $81.99 billion by 2024 with a CAGR of 18.9%. Here are some of the satellites and sensors used in them. These are number of satellites and these are the number of sensors used in them. Applications. Smart sensor enhance the following applications: self-calibration, adjust deviation of operating of sensor form, communication, broadcast information about its own status, cloud support, access big data analytics and machine learning algorithms, allows one to obtain the average variance and standard deviation of the set of measurements. Multi-sensing. A single smart sensor can measure pressure, temperature, humidity, gas flow and infrared, chemical reaction, surface acoustic, vapor and more. These are the references which I have used for collecting the above data. Thank you.